Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and More, where you can find me here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to do a flip through of the Vintage Autumn Garden, a digital kit by That's Just Penny. I will leave the link where you can find this kit in the description box, and while I'm flipping through it, I will, those that are new to my channel, when I flip through a digital kit that I will be working with, I make a list on an index card of everything that I see so that I can go through my craft supplies, or when I'm at the stores or thrifting or garage sales or etc. I can have a quick list of what I need or what will work with the kit I'm working with. So by the end of the flip through, I will have a list, and then I will show it to you guys. If you're new, hi, welcome. I would love it for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Today, like I said, I will be making the flip through of this digital kit called Vintage Autumn Garden. For those that have been with me from the beginning or for a while, welcome back guys, welcome back. I'm doing my flip through because this is a kit I'm going to be using for the month of October for my design team project for That's Just Penny. So let's get started. And this is one of the pages. It's kind of like a collection of sorts. And so I'm going to make note of the colors. I see like maroon, and then the yellows, the green, brown, and then that's the next one. Same color. Oh, beige. Ooh, look at that collage. I see bird. Does anybody know what that is? Some sort of flower, but it's not open. So that's like a cabbage rose, I think it's called. It's like a rose from the rose family. A gourd. What are they? Morning glories. It's a white morning glory. Apples, I think. Yeah, they're apples. I see leaves. Pine cone right here. Oh, a pumpkin. Ooh, look at this right here. A dragonfly. Had you noticed that? I hadn't. Oh, there's two actually. And then like a little postcard in the back. Did I miss anything? Ah, the background, guys. Script. And the reason I start compiling my list is because then I can know what I can use from my stash. A snail that will work with what I'm doing. Did I grab two? I sure did. See, there's that cabbage one, the script. I don't know. It's this way. Maroon, I don't think oh no. I folded it over. There we go. Flowers, it looks like a vintage, kind of like wallpaper, right? Good. And then this one, because I had grabbed two. Dragonfly, snails. Okay, I don't think I... Oh, piano. Then the wallpaper in the back, and the layering, the collaging. I love the colors. Very fallish. Fallish, going into like holidays with a pine cone. Beautiful. Look at that bird. I love the way Penny does her digitals. Very good. See, like different place, same elements but different placement, and gives it a whole other look to the page. And I'm looking. Oh, I printed both. Some of the pages I printed doubles of, like this one, because I have an idea what I want to do with this one. Beautiful. Okay, the dragonfly, and see, now we have the snail and the dragonfly differently. Okay. And this one, like I said, I printed it several times. This one's on cardstock. And so is this one. This one's on cardstock. Very nice kit. And then this was a misprint. My printer decided to stop printing there and spit it out. Why, I don't know. But I figured I don't ever throw away my misprints, you know. Like, we got to use up those papers, or at least I feel I need to. So I'm going to cut it there and probably make a tag or journaling card or something. You cannot let that go to waste. And she also had a prayer pocket with this kit. Well, it's a separate purchase. But it's a prayer pocket, and then these go inside the prayer pocket. But look at that, very pretty. It's kind of like grill marks, right? Very, very pretty. So far my list consists of the colors. Sorry about that. Consists of the colors. I saw a snail, I saw a bird, cabbage roses, a gourd, a morning glory, apples, pine cones, pumpkins, a piano, a dragonfly, postcard, and script. I'm going to flip back just to make sure I didn't miss anything. So if you see something, you let me know that I didn't mention. But, you know, make sure to speak up, because I can't really hear you if you whisper. Look at the beautiful page. I don't know if I'm going to make this a cover. Well, you'll see. Stay tuned to my channel, because I'm going to make a series, meaning I'm taking you along the process of what I'm doing. Or this one. Covers. You'll see. You'll have to stay tuned. But I love it. Look. The colors are like, they're a little dark, you know, but they're subtle at the same time. I don't know if I explained myself. So very, very nice. It'll work really well with some tea-dyed paper that I have. Beiges, fall colors. It's beautiful. So again, I'm looking through it, making sure that I got all the elements. And sometimes, you know, even if I make my list, as I'm working with it, I'll pick up on something that I missed while I'm working with it later. So I'm going through checking if I think I missed yellow. No, I haven't. Oh, pine cone. Did I write pine cone? Yes. Pine needles. Well, pine needles, pine leaves. And then we have this one. This one, that. Dragonfly right here. Piano. I think this is like vintage wallpaper. I don't know. That's what I imagine. Or maybe like a tapestry of some sort. And then, oh man, these stuck together. Okay. Like, this is the same image of the one I put on cardstock. And if anybody knows the name of these right here, I don't know what these are. Whoops. They're not roses, because see how in the other picture these, I guess, petals? I don't know if these are petals. This was facing down, and now these are facing up. So they're not roses. You know, like a rosebud. See how these are down, but these are up. But I don't know what they are. Some sort of flower. So if someone out there on YouTube that sees this knows what it is, let me know. I would like to know the name of it. Then look, we have that snail and the gourd. Oh, vines, right? And then some more tapestry or wallpaper. And then some background pages. Very pretty colors. And then, let me see. Another one. The apple, the dragonfly. And then this one has all the elements in there. I think that's the last one that I have. I'm trying to see if I missed anything. You know, because sometimes, like the background, if you start paying attention, you'll see like music notes or, just little things in the background. So far, I don't think I missed anything, but, you know, like I've said, sometimes I'll start working with it and I'm like, oh my God. Like when I was telling you, oh, you know what? I just found another dragonfly. How many dragonflies do you see? Check it out. 1, 2. I had seen those 2, but I just found another one right here. I mean, it was just tucked in there. That's what I'm saying. Like, the more I see it and the more I play around, I see different things. Ah, look at that. I just found another instrument. I saw the piano. I had not seen the violin. And so that's why I make my list so that I can pick up on that. Then I can go through my digital files. I can go through my scraps. I can go through my stickers. Everything that and anything that I can use from my stash, from the things I have, I will pull out. And so I know that I can put maroon, yellow, green, brown, beige. If I wanted to put in maybe a gold or a silver, I think I would probably lean more into the gold. Let's see, I have bling right here, that's silver. Yeah, no, I'll probably do the gold. Let's see, yeah, I have the gold. Yep, gold would work better, way better. Pick up on the gold, on the yellow tones instead of the silver. Yep. So I'm going to put gold, because that would work. And so then, I can go through my stash, my supplies, and start pulling out things that I can use, kind of put them together in an area. And when I'm sitting down working on these embellishments, depending on what I'm making, you have to stay tuned to see what I'm gonna make, because I like to mix up my projects. I don't like to do things over and over and over. So stay tuned to my channel, because now that I've shown you the flip through, in the next episode of this series, for my design team project for That's Just Penny for October 2020, I will be doing something. I don't know if I'm going to be working on embellishments or cutting pages. I don't know. You're going to have to stay tuned to the second video of the October 2020 design team project for That's Just Penny. I want to thank you for staying through the flip through. I hope that you learn to pick up on the things that we see in the digital kits. I'm trying to be vocal on what I'm thinking, my thought process as I do things, because I know there's a lot of beginners or even seasoned crafters that could perhaps learn something from my thought process, right? So that's a purpose behind me making these videos, to share what I know, and if I can be a blessing to you or a guide in crafting, I'm all for it. Sharing is caring. So I hope you have a good day. Find some time to find a hobby. Do something that brings you joy, keeps you centered, and keeps you going. Bye, friends. Happy crafting.